professor. He's a local celeb. So please welcome to the stage the professor. Here you go.
Thank you for coming to my lecture today. Of course. My minions have not set up my board. I'll have to go and get it. Oh, well, when I come back in with the board, I'm sure you will all simultaneously do the sound we make when academics bring their board out, won't we? Yes, here we go. Exactly. Thank you. The reverence it deserves. Now, as you very much well know, having come to me lecture, I am very much a rock star in the world of academia. I know much about much, a lot about lot. I have written a lot of books, and today we're going to be doing a lecture. Yes, in the style, of course, that is befitting of such an academic audience as yourselves. I have been told that you are singing types. Yes, singing types. So I've never done this before. I will be doing whatever topic you choose, but in the style of a song. Yes, and you shall, of course, as my students, you have swatted up on this song, yes?
Yeah.
At least, yes, a bit of it, yes. There is precedence, I've done my research. There are songs that teach people things. Dowager, female deer. There is the alphabet song. And then there is, of course, the ABBA B-side, how to put up IKEA shelf. So for this, we first need a topic that I will be talking on today from my esteemed background. What is the topic?
Quantum mechanics.
Quantum mechanics.
Photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis. Yes, we'll go for that one, because we can definitely say that. Right, so how does it go? There are, of course, as you know, photosynthesis is made of several parts. So we'll be piecing together. The first is pho. Yes, pho. So you repeat with me. Pho. Now, this is where we will begin. The next is toe. Now we need either to go up, down, or stay the same. What are we going to do? Up.
Same.
One doesn't. Yes. The next is sin. Yes, we love that. Sin. Yes. So we're going up, down, or stay the same? Down. Down. Photo, sin. The next is the. Up, down, stay the same? Same. Photosynthi. And the next is this, of course, from the Greek, this. Yes, so we go up, down, stay the same?
Down.
Photosynthi. This, why not? This, yes, or this, if you want to say it. There we are. Photosynthesis. So this, of course, is the chorus you've all been preparing. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, the thing that makes plants live. Photosynthesis, the thing that makes plants live. Okay, we'll do that again. It goes down the second time. Photosynthesis, the thing that makes plants live. Photosynthesis, the thing that makes plants live. Good. We shall begin. The first thing you must know about photosynthesis is that it is a system of making plants go happy. And when I say they're happy, they're really, really happy. You can hear them scream as you walk through the field, and it's really quite chappy. Photosynthesis, it's really how do they make the plants live? Photosynthesis, it's great, it's what makes plants live. Now the second thing you must know about photosynthesis, it's all to do with green. Everything that's green that you've ever seen, well, it does this thing, yes. If you see a green wall, it absorbs all the light from the sun, and one day it'll just spread two legs and run, 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 run. Oh, photosynthesis, the thing that makes plants live. Photosynthesis, the thing that makes plants live. Now, the third thing you must know about photosynthesis is it's very difficult to say. Don't matter if you're an academic or a horse that can bray. And if you have ever listened to a horse, well, they make this very, very strange sound. If you speed it up on a record, there's a word that you will have found. It is photosynthesis, the thing that makes plants live. Photosynthesis, the thing that makes plants live. Now, you take a moment. Of course, you must have been swatting up and you must have some questions. So I will answer for your dictation some questions. Does anyone have a question about photosynthesis? Yes, okay.
Well, why is this important to us?
Why is this important? Good question, yes. Well, the study of plants, it's very, very important, you see. Because one day, the plants, they will take over. It'll be the end of me. But if you understand photosynthesis, well, you will have a thing that will help you. Yes, maybe you can just chat away to the plants if they do not hit or scalp you. Photosynthesis, the thing that makes plants live. Photosynthesis, the thing that makes plants live. And we have time for one final question, the most pressing question that you have. Yes,
Is this like going to be on the test?
is this going to be in the test? Yes, absolutely. Here we go. The test for this subject, it's very, very strange. Yes, it's just for plants, you see. That's the way it is. So you'll walk into the examining board and sit down at your desk. You'll be eaten by a plant, one of those flappy things. I can't remember the name. Oh, snap, snap, snap. Fuck it. This is the thing that makes plants live.